Not, but all these little white ribbons. I see about 12 in this direction. There's a blue one. The blue one is for a veteran. Okay, World War II veteran. Over here we have a World War II veteran, open pit. Here we have a Civil War veteran. All right, 9th U.S. Colored Infantry, Company E, George Henry Jones. Okay, we're going along. We got fallen pit, open pit. So, but what I've done is I've counted them, got them all marked on a grid, where they're at and which ones are in which one. And so here, look, we see over here, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. I mean, I could just keep counting and counting and counting and counting and counting. Okay, look at that casket on top. All right, so what we needed is March 17th. We need you. Okay, once again, we're putting together teams. We're also in need of donations. Okay, $10, $20, $5. It all adds up. There should be a GoFundMe link right at the bottom of the page, and I'm going to put it up on the YouTube link as well. But please share, like it, share it to social media. Help us make this go viral. But this is in Crisfield, Maryland, Union Asbury Cemetery.